Equations for the third and fourth terms of a geometric progression 48 and 32. We have to find the sum to infinity. Now we know that the common ratio is two consecutive terms that are divided by each other. So we have the fourth term and we have the third term. If we divide them, we'll get the common ratio. The common ratio will be 48 upon 32, which will simplify down. So this is 32 and 48. 32 and 48. So this will become 2 upon 3. We have to find the sum to infinity of the progression. Now, the sum to infinity is given by a upon 1 minus r. We need to find the value of a first. So we know that the third term is 48. So the nth term of a geometric progression is given by a r n minus 1. So this is 48. A is unknown and r is 2 upon 3 to the power 3 minus 1, which is whole squared. So this will become 48 is equals to 4a upon 9. A is equals to 48 into 9 upon 4. So 4 ones are 4 12s are A is equals to 108. So the sum to infinity will be 108 108 upon 1 minus 2 upon 3. Substituting this in the calculator, we get the sum to infinity as 324. In part B, there are two schemes for increasing the amount of household waste that is recycled each week. Scheme A is to increase the amount of waste recycled each month by 0.16 tons. Now we know if the increase is constant, it is an arithmetic progression where the common difference is 0.16. The total time or the value of n in this case is 24. And in the first month, which means the value of A is 2.5. In part A, we have to find the total amount that would be recycled over a 24th month period for scheme A. So we know that the sum for an arithmetic progression is given by n upon 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. This will become 24 upon 2 bracket 2 times a, which is 2.5, plus 24 minus 1, which is 23 into 0.16. So this is the sum of 24 terms. Substituting this in the calculator, we get 12 into 5 plus 23.16 is 3.68, which will give us the sum of 24 terms as 104.16 tons. As we have to give our answer in three significant figures, so the final answer will be 104 tons. For scheme B, the amount of waste recycled is increasing by 6%. So we know that this is a geometric progression, and the common ratio will be 106 as it is increasing by 6% from the original value, which gives us our common ratio as 1.06. The sum for 24 terms would be, the formula is a into rn minus 1 upon r minus 1 when r is greater than 1. The value of a is 2.5 and the common ratio is 1.06 to the power 24 minus 1 upon 1.06 minus 1. Substituting this in the calculator, we get sum of 24 terms as 127 tons.